and it's almost complete. It does run. I don't know if you'll be able to... Yeah, you can see there. It's got about 100 psi in it at the moment. I'm running, what, 50 out to the hose. You can see it does spray some air. I have to put a brace from here across to the other side, and that's like this spot right here. I'm going to weld a brace there, and then this piece actually goes at the back where this bar is right now, and then there's a connecting piece, this one here, that connects them both to support the compressor. I will do a whole how it's put together sort of video. I just wanted to get this out there, show you it's done, that I've been working on it. Does have a few quirks. I'll explain that in the next video. This is my personal... I'm going to mention this a few times, I think, but I got one of these switches on there. Originally, I bought this when this tank was installed in my truck. I was going to put this inside the truck to operate the compressor, but I like that. It does run. I'll give you a hint at how quiet it is. What are we at now? We're at 100 psi. It turns off just below 100, comes back on at 80. Sorry, 60. That's the highest I could get it to come back on and be reliable. But I'll explain that in the next video. It should come on. Oh, not. There it is. That is running. That is as loud as it gets. I do actually have a decibel meter on my phone here. So, actually I'm done with that for today, so I'll leave it. But this is the volume of the other small compressor I have. Oh, I needed that one. So many freaking hoses. Okay. Turn this guy on. That's the sound it makes when it's just sitting there. There's a fan inside of it. That fan alone is louder than this entire compressor is. But I'll show you how loud it is. Now, I know that the phone doesn't really pick up the sound very well. Like I said, I'm going to put up a video where I actually have a decibel meter showing you how loud these are. But I think even with the poor quality of the phone, you can tell there's a significant difference. Until the next time when this is complete and I'm ready to show you bottom to top how I built it,